Hello students. Now today we discuss the surface area and volume. The surface area and volume. Now the doing the exercise of 30.1 of question number 3. Question number 3. The floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. The cost of painting the four walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000. Find the height of the hall. Find the height of the hall. Now the area of the four walls, area of the four wall equal to total cost upon cost per meter square. Total cost 15,000 rupees upon 10 rupees 10 means per meter square is equal to 1500 meter square. 1500 meter square is the area of four wall. Now perimeter of wall, perimeter of hall is equal to 2L plus B equal to 250 meter. Therefore lateral surface area or area of four walls equal to 2L plus B into H and 1500 equal to 2L plus B into H and 250 into H equal to 1500. So 1500 upon 250 equal to H 6. So therefore H is equal to 6 meter. Now the height of the rectangular hall is 6 meter. Height of the rectangular hall is 6 meter. So we find the height and area of four walls and the perimeter. Clear? Next question. Next question. Next question. A cubical box has each edge 10 centimeter and another cuboidal box is 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. Side of cubical box 10 centimeter and for cuboidal box L equal to 12.5, D equal to 10 centimeter and H is equal to 8 centimeter. Which box has the greater lateral surface area and how much? First, which box has the greater lateral surface area and how much? The lateral surface area of cubical box equal to 4a square 4 into 10 square equal to 400 centimeter square. Lateral surface area of cuboidal equal to 2L plus V into H to 12.5 plus 10 into 8 2 into 22.5 into 8 45 into 8 360 centimeter square. So lateral surface area of cubical box is greater than cuboidal and 400 minus 360 equal to 40 centimeter square. This is the first solution of that. Now second as the total surface area, which box has the smaller total surface area and how much? Second, total surface area of cubical box 6a square equal to 6 into 10 square 600 centimeter square. 600 centimeter square is the total surface area of a cubical box and total surface area of cuboidal equal to 2LB plus BH plus HL and equal to 12.5 into 10 into 8 plus 8 into 12.5. Now we multiply and add this, so 2 125 into 80 100 180 125 180 equal to 5 305. 2 into 305 is equal to 610 centimeter square. So total surface area of cuboidal is greater than cubical box, and 610 minus 600 equal to 10 centimeter square, equal to 10 centimeter square. We find the side of a cubical box and the side of a cuboidal box are given. Then find the first lateral surface area of the cubical box and the lateral surface area of the cuboidal box. The cubical box has a 400 centimeter square and the cuboidal box is a 360 centimeter square. So the lateral surface area of the cubical box is greater than the cuboidal box. And how much? 400 minus 360, 40 centimeter square. In the second step, find the total surface area and of a cubical box and the total surface area of a cuboidal box. The total surface area of a cubical box is 600 centimeter square and the total surface area of a cuboidal box is 2LB plus BH plus HL. Now we find the value of 610 centimeter square. So the total surface area of the cuboidal box is greater than the total surface area of a cubical box. And how much greater? Now the 610 minus 600, so equal to 10 centimeter square. Clear? A small indoor grill house is made entirely of glass panes held together with the tape. It is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide and 625 centimeter high. What is the area of the glass? Now question number 6. Total surface area of herbarium glass equal to 2 LB plus HL plus HB plus HL and 30 into 25 plus 25 into 25 plus 25 into 30, that's equal to 750, 625 plus 750. 2 into 25, 4250 centimeter square is the total surface area of the herbarium glass. And now required tape equal to 4L plus 4B plus 4H, that's equal to 4 into 30 plus 4 into 25 plus 4 into 25, just equal to 120 plus 100 plus 100 equal to 320 centimeter is the required length of a tape. Clear? Now thank you.